Hey everyone, so welcome back to So Easy Please. Today we are going to be making a reusable shopping bag that you can take around to the grocery store or just to carry anything that you need. This is what it looks like. It's quite sturdy and compact so that if you wanted to put it into your bag or throw it into your car, you can easily fold it up and tuck it away. Today's project is going to be quite easy for a beginner to make. All you really need is a plastic bag to use as your template, and then you can get the same shape as the plastic bag. If you don't have a serger or you only have a simple sewing machine that uses basic stitches, this project's going to be great because we'll do a fold over method to do a seam finish on your fabric. This seam finish is great when you throw it into the washing machine because it doesn't fray and it can withstand multiple washes. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you decide to make any bags yourself, please link me on Instagram or tag me in one of your projects so I can see it. The Instagram account is So Easy Please, and I hope you enjoy.